Want to learn coding for free, but don't know where to start? Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to advance your skills, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 best free websites where you can learn programming step by step. These platforms offer interactive lessons, real-world projects, and even free certifications. So, if you're ready to start coding, let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is Khan Academy. If you're an absolute beginner, this is the perfect starting point. Khan Academy provides easy-to-follow lessons on JavaScript, HTML, and SQL using interactive exercises and real-time coding feedback. Joining Khan Academy is simple. Just go to their website, sign up for a free account, and start learning right away. No payment is required, everything is 100% free with no hidden costs or upsells. Khan Academy mainly focuses on JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and SQL. It also offers basic lessons on algorithms, data structures, and computer science fundamentals. The courses are designed in a self-paced, interactive format with step-by-step video tutorials, quizzes, and coding exercises. Their approach is gamified, making learning fun and engaging, perfect for beginners. Khan Academy provides live coding exercises, allowing you to practice as you learn. Some lessons include small coding challenges and mini projects to reinforce concepts. While Khan Academy does not offer official certificates, the knowledge you gain can be a great foundation before moving on to advanced platforms. At number 4, we have CS50 by Harvard on edX. This is one of the best free coding courses online, designed to take you from absolute beginner to advanced problem solver. It covers computer science fundamentals, programming, and real-world applications. You can access CS50 for free on edX by simply signing up. However, if you want an official Harvard certification, you'll need to pay a fee. CS50 teaches C, Python, SQL, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, while also covering data structures, algorithms, and cybersecurity concepts. The course is taught through high-quality video lectures by Harvard professors, with weekly problem sets and hands-on labs to reinforce learning. CS50 is heavily project-based, requiring you to build real-world applications and complete coding challenges that test your skills. If you complete CS50, you'll have a strong foundation in computer science. The optional paid certificate can boost your resume and job prospects. At number 3, we have W3 Schools. If you're looking for a simple, beginner-friendly way to learn coding, W3 Schools is a great choice. It offers step-by-step tutorials and interactive coding exercises for various programming languages. W3 Schools is completely free to use, with no sign-up required. However, they do offer paid certification programs if you want official proof of your skills. You can learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, SQL, PHP, C++, Java, and more. W3 Schools follows a self-paced, text-based approach, making it easy to learn at your own speed. Each tutorial comes with examples, explanations, and interactive coding editors for hands-on practice. The platform features try-it-yourself coding editors, allowing you to write and test code directly in your browser. While free learning is available, you can pay for W3 Schools certifications to add credibility to your resume. Next is freeCodeCamp. If you want to learn coding for free with hands-on projects, freeCodeCamp is one of the best options. It offers structured, in-depth courses that teach real-world programming skills. freeCodeCamp is 100% free, no hidden fees, no subscriptions. You just need to sign up, and you can start learning right away. You'll learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, SQL, and more, with a focus on web development and data science. The platform provides well-structured courses, interactive coding challenges, and step-by-step lessons. Each course follows a real-world project-based approach to help you build a portfolio. You'll work on hundreds of coding challenges and full projects, including building websites, applications, and data visualizations. freeCodeCamp offers free certifications in fields like responsive web design, JavaScript algorithms, data science, and AI development. These certifications are recognized by tech employers worldwide. It is completely free with project-based learning and recognized certifications, but lacks instructor-led courses and requires self-discipline for self-paced learning. And finally, at number 1, we have the Odin Project. If you want to become a self-sufficient web developer, the Odin Project is one of the best free resources available. It provides a full-stack curriculum covering HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Git, Node.js, Express, MongoDB, and more. The platform follows a hands-on, project-based learning approach, meaning you'll build real-world applications as you progress. Joining is simple, just visit the website, and you can start learning immediately. There's no need to pay for anything. All courses and materials are 100% free. Since it's self-paced, you can complete the lessons at your own speed. However, this also means you'll need strong self-discipline to stay on track. Unlike some other platforms, the Odin Project doesn't offer official certifications, but the skills and portfolio you build can help you land a job in web development. Plus, the platform has an active Discord community where learners can ask questions and get support from other students and professionals. That wraps up our list of the best free websites for learning coding and programming. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, these platforms offer everything you need to start coding today. Which one are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tech content, and hit the bell icon for updates. Happy coding!